So what we're gonna do, the rest of this right here, we are going to pour some hot water and we're going to sleep it like this till in the morning I drink it. Just warm it and drink it in the morning. All right, this one we are going to drink this tonight. That is put 1 cup of water into it like this. That's the beautiful thing, that everything can go inside of it. Then we're going to put some rosemary because it's hot water. I don't have a problem with hot water. Some cloves, few grain. If you're making a little bit, you don't have to use so many, okay? But that is my recipe. All right. Secondly, we put in some ginger inside of it. Ginger is amazing. And then we are going to put some of my favorite. Turmeric powder. Excellent. Yeah, so that looking fantastic and amazing. Also, I'm going to put 3 black peppercorn into it. Black pepper. A good vibes. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon. So go over and grab yourself one. Tell a friend and a friend. Tell a friend. Use fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, and fresh rosemary. Much better. Alright guys. Yeah man. That will be much 100% better. Yeah. Oh yes, my beautiful people. All right. So let's see what I go on right. So we got Sharon in the building. All right. So the best thing is to turn off the cooker and allow that heat to concentrate through it. All right, guys. Good vibes. Okay. So the benefit of rosemary, number 1, it can also help you with your blood sugar. Number 2, if you have any joint pain, that is very good for it. Number 4, it also boosts the immune system, weight management. And also, but one of the main thing, rosemary and cloves and all of these ingredients are very helpful, is to help you with the whole overall immune system, reducing the inflammation in the body. So hopefully you guys can understand, but there's a lot more in the description. I have I even share with some people how to use it too. Okay, that's good, really good. You're doing an amazing job. That is an amazing. So yeah, continue, you know what I mean, doing what you're doing. Yeah, it will benefit you and it will help you also. So it's a very good job. Yes, my beautiful people. So we only have few people watching back, and now numbers are dropped back down. The other day we was really going on really good, but for some reason number dropped back. A good vibes. We're not gonna be complaining. God's still in control of everything, say we. All right. Yeah. So that's the tea right there. You don't need to put any honey or sugar or sweetener. You just want to drink it naturally. All right, because if you drink it naturally, it's going to help you in many benefit ways. All right, so please drink it naturally. Don't put any sugar, sweetener, or honey inside of it. You want to drink it like this. That is amazing. Ah, smells so good. Smell good too. Really good. So I turn off the cooker. Yeah, turn off the cooker. We're gonna take it off the heat and we're gonna pour it off, and just spray turmeric, ginger, cloves, and rosemary. Marley Bay, big up yourself. Marley Bay is in the building. Marley Bay. Thank you. Before we do anything else, we're gonna just simply talk about the book. Marley Bay, make sure you get yourself a copy of the book and support the progress. All right, yeah, here it is. All right, grab yourself a copy of my book and support the progress. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate the love. Now, here's my cup, which I'm going to be using, and get the strainer. That amount is enough. So what we're gonna do, the rest of this right here, we are going to pour some hot water and we're going to sleep it like this till in the morning I drink it. Just warm it and drink it in the morning. All right, this one, we are going to drink this tonight. That is turmeric, ginger, rosemary, and black pepper. All right, so you guys can drink that tonight, man. Fresh rosemary, yes, fresh rosemary, fresh ginger, fresh, everything fresh and lovely and nice. Okay, so that's what you guys want to do at home. So if you're looking for something fantastic and an amazing, this recipe goes down really well for you, which I will encourage you to do this at home. All right, Marley Bay, big up yourself. You don't know, Mary Bay, big up yourself. And all the beautiful people who are supporting. Thank you so much for tonight. Really appreciate it. 100% effective. All right, guys. So we're gonna close the show and we're gonna thank you guys for all your support. And we will see you tomorrow again in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas. I'm gonna make a soup tomorrow. All right, that's what we are going to do tomorrow. Make soup. All right. Have a lovely evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.